Hello everyone, and welcome back to my channel. In this video, I'm going to share how I successfully monetized my YouTube channel in just 15 days. I had an old channel that was barely active, with only 2 or 3 videos posted. However, I decided to start fresh and began uploading again at the beginning of April. For the first 2 or 3 days, my videos only got about 100 to 200 views. But a few days later, the views suddenly skyrocketed, which quickly pushed my watch time past the 4,000 hour mark. These videos were music tracks that I created using Suno AI. I released the songs through DistroKid and also edited them into videos to post on my YouTube channel. After that, I used DistroKid to request an official artist channel, OAC, badge for my existing channel. Within 15 days, by mid-April, my channel met all of YouTube's monetization requirements. I applied for the YouTube Partner Program, and just a few hours later, my channel was approved. On my very first day, I made nearly $20, and by the end of the month, my total earnings reached $168. Unfortunately, because this channel was linked to a Google AdSense account that was shared with another channel, when that other channel lost its monetization, this one got demonetized too. The reason given was due to a related suspended channel. Despite this setback, I'm continuing to upload videos because I can reapply for monetization in 3 months. I hope this video is helpful to all of you. If you have any questions, please feel free to leave a comment down below, and I'll get back to you. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next video.